Hi friends, let me tell you about my last weekend. When I woke up, I had my cuddle session as usual, but then my human said, "Hey buddy, get ready for a trip." First of all, we had a long ride, but in the end we arrived. What do you think? Where did we go? The next day, I wanted to see the mountains, and the hike began. After the first stage, we had a little rest, but we had to move on, because it was a long way to go. Reminder, don't forget to drink enough on trips like that. Luckily we had lots of waterfalls everywhere. Finally we reached our destination and had another break. Cheers! Tough trip, but really worth it. Enough for day 2. I'm really looking forward to telling you that we did the next day. As the weather was absolutely fantastic, we decided to go for another hike. Look at this beauty. Finally, we made it to the top and enjoyed the wonderful view. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again with a new adventure.